guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is another hair review and I'm super excited for this one. This one is from AFSISTERWIG and they sent me this unit. This is a 13 by 6 Kelly lace wig and it is 14 inches. The cap size is small and also the knots are bleached, so there's no need for you to like bleach the knots. The hairline is also pre-plucked, and there's also an elastic band at the back to make it very easy to install the wig. Look at that curl pattern, it's so beautiful. All I did is to spray it with water mixed with a tiny bit of conditioner, and the curl came out and it came to play. Definitely, it's so easy to put on this wig. Sometimes you don't even need the glue, but obviously to secure it a little bit more you can put the glue. So right about now I'm going to show you just like hairstyles to do with this hair, because the lace is like so huge and you can literally part it anyway. So yeah, so right now it's like styles you can do with this hair. It's so cute and it's super easy to install, as I said. And listen, you will be out of the house in minutes. This is just the side parting, just to be cute or whatever. And I really love the curl pattern. One thing I did not like about the hair is that it smells very good, but then the perfume was very strong. So maybe if you have like sinuses or whatever, you can wash it first before you can use it on your hair, because it smells nice, but like it's very strong. So I did not like that. Right here I was trying to do a half up half down hairstyle. Literally you can part the hair anyway. The lace is like, I don't know, like if it's like a momorao, literally you can, and it looks like scalp because already it is bleached. So half down half up, easy to do. Alright, this is like my ultimate favorite and very quick hairstyle to do. It's literally you open a pot in the middle and you're good to go. Another hairstyle you can do, you can put pins on the sides and kind of create something so creative. You can put it on one side or on both sides. And I didn't create baby hairs with this one also because I like my frontals to be very natural, and also because I really can't do baby hairs on frontals. I'm yet about to teach myself. But yeah, this is the other hairstyle. This one I really like. It's very cute. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the little hairstyles or the quick hairstyles that I was able to come up with. This wig is super cute and it's kind of like those ones where you are in a rush. You can kind of like glue it on very quickly and you're good to go. Just spray it with water and definitely you bringing those curls back. So yeah, this hair is from AFSISTERWIG and this is the Jessie unit. I'll leave everything in the description box below. There's a car, wow. I'll leave everything in the description box below. And what I love about it most is the lace, because it came pre-plucked and also bleached. I did pluck it just a tiny bit because I don't want like a full hairline, but it came pre-plucked and also bleached, so you don't have to spend so much time bleaching your hair. What else? Oh yeah, I was saying for the lace, it's a 13 by 6 lace front, so you are able to literally part it anywhere you like. And you will definitely get the hairstyle that you want. And also the 13 means, I think the 13 is like the size, like ear to ear and also like to the back. So probably maybe if you come, what happened? And then you are able to like do like a lot of hairstyles with it. I was just showing you just a tiny bit so that you can see. Now hopefully if you are that creative, you can come up with more hairstyles. The cap was very fit to size. It fits me, but it's a tiny bit, yeah, but it fits. And also I didn't have to cut the lace like I usually do. Usually I cut like this much. I probably cut like a tiny bit, so I'm very happy about that. Like literally I've always felt like my head is big. I mean, it's small, but this one made me feel like you're okay, you're normal. Okay. I love the curl pattern. Yeah, I really love the curl pattern, and basically it's so nice. Literally you can, I don't even know what to say anymore. It is so nice. The bleach is they did bleach it, and they do say that you mustn't bleach it again because it kind of will make the hair shade, but then it doesn't really blend with the skin quite well. It was a bit dark. I did take such a time. I did hopefully more hair videos, more hair companies, and yeah, I'll be able to review more hair for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to comment if any questions. Do ask in the comment section, and I will definitely do ask. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, get into it, man.